Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing my full wash and go routine. I've already washed my hair and it's in its 4 sections. I'll be starting off with the Kinky Curly Knot today. When using Kinky Curly products, I like to start on soaking wet hair. It makes the outcome so much better. So I'm making my hair super saturated with that water before I add in the leave-in conditioner. I do not skimp on the leave-in. In fact, I use way more of the leave-in than I do the gel because it makes the definition just pop. Also, this product is super messy. The leave-in and the gel, you don't want this on your floor. So for me, it's just easier to do this whole style in the shower. This is the definition with the leave-in conditioner. Like, wow. I'm repeating the same steps for each section, just soaking my hair down with water before applying the leave-in conditioner. These are just the steps that I take before applying the custard. And I just have to say this, the water is off when I'm not using it. The amount of times that I slip while filming these hair videos in my shower, the water that gets everywhere, the way I'm freezing my booty off, please do not come for me. Unacceptable! Now I am going in with the Kinky Curly curling custard, and it breaks my heart to say this, but this is no longer my favorite product, but we'll get to that. Right now, let me explain what I'm doing. So I'm just taking that amount that you just saw and applying it all over my hair. First, I like to smooth it in and then I rake it, because if I do not detangle my hair when it's in a wash and go, as I'm styling, when I wash my hair the following week, it's so matted and I regret it and it's just a nightmare. This is probably the easiest part of this style routine. It doesn't take me long at all, and it helps that I'm doing it in the shower. So I start off on 4 sections, but I end up making 2 subsections within each section because it works better when you use this product in smaller sections, because a little goes a long way. Like, if you use too much of this product, your hair turns out really gunky because it's a custard, not a gel. And because of the leave-in conditioner, every time I apply the custard over the leave-in, when I'm styling my hair, it has this white residue, but it dries extremely fast. But the reason that this custard is no longer my favorite is because I just don't believe that it suits the current state of my hair. It's perfect for people who have short to medium length hair because the definition that it provides is just unmatched, but the snot-like consistency doesn't work well for my acne issues. I get really bad acne now on my forehead and my shoulders, and a lot of it has to do with my hair products, and this is just way too hard for me to get out of my skin. It takes forever to dry. It's extremely messy. And when your hair gets longer, you just don't want to feel that snot feeling on your back. Like, it doesn't feel good. It causes too many issues for me. It's really not worth it. So at this point, I personally prefer gels over custards. Yeah, this style took 1.5 days to fully dry. So here's me now. I pinned the front of my hair because I do not like my hair in my face. I don't even care if it looks a little sloppy underneath there. You can't see that. But I'm about to stretch my hair. I only stretch the back and bottom half of my hair because my curls on the top have always been a lot looser, so they don't get as much shrinkage, and my wash and goes look kind of weird when they air dry on their own. I stretch my hair using a blow dryer on low heat but high speed, or I use the banding method. And it wasn't until I started stretching my hair that I began to like wash and goes again. I'm just stretching my hair in super small sections so that the heat is evenly distributed and that this doesn't take forever. I just took my hair down to see how it's looking so far. I'm going to have to do another section from the back because it kind of looks like I stretched it a little too much at the bottom, so I need to even the shape out a little bit. This is how my hair looks before and after stretching. It doesn't make a huge difference, but I don't need it to. I personally think the right side looks so much better. Do y'all stretch out your wash and goes, or do you just let them be? Let me know in the comment section below. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget that your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and newer channel. If you haven't already subscribed, it's at the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.